Hello guys! Panibagong araw, panibagong repair video na naman tayo. In this video, meron tayong L2310 printer na ang issue ay hindi normal yung function ng printer head. Katulad po nito. Upon checking, nalaman naming error 00033 ang issue ng printer. This means na may issue na ang Sensor Encoder Strip Carriage ng printer. This is usually caused by excessive printing or usage of the printer. To fix the problem, pinalitan namin ang damaged part ng bagong Sensor Encoder Strip Carriage. After pinalitan ang damaged part, dahan-dahan na naming binalik ang ibang parts ng printer. So, if you have the same issues with your printers or have any other printer problems, you know who to call to. INKE is ready to help you with your printer problems. Just visit our store which is located at Door 8 Clark & Zack Building, San Agustin Vela Street, Cagayan de Oro City. You may also message us at our Facebook page INKE Toner One Stop Shop or call us through these numbers. To check our available products, you can also visit our website inke.ph. Now, let's check kung okay na ang printer. As you can see, the printer is now good to go.